the new Sledgehammer Max tyres. You can see totally different tread to the old one, much more rounded edge. Very excited to hopefully these will make the car a lot more sort of stable in a sense. The other ones were very flat with a very sharp edge on the side, which used to make it flip whenever it hit that edge. It feels a lot more spongy, like when I'm turning there, like it's not hitting that edge and just flicking me from direction to direction. It's got like a more of a...
Yeah, it's more slanted as well. And it's not trying to tip. It would tip on those other tyres.
Bit leafy. But yeah, I mean, that's definitely... It ain't going to flip, I can just feel it. Yeah, it's really nice. It's a bit softer. I found it's, you know, it's definitely better. It's definitely like softer on the old steering wheels. Do you know what I mean? Like,
yeah, they've got more cushion in them as well, haven't they?
Yeah, they feel
go
like.
over and absorb more bumps.
I mean, it's not the perfect drifting material I'm on here. But, yeah. Yeah, totally covered my... Oh, there it did flip, but that did hit a divot. Come on, X-Maxx, there we go. Look at that.
Alright.
Thank you. My suspension's like bottomed out for the max. Here we go. Come on, pick yourself up. Oh, I've done it again. Deep over there, look at that. Yeah, that was nice. Woo! Go on, Donny. Yeah. Woo! Boom! That was a nice jump. Yeah, you stuck a bit there. I feel like they've made them bigger. That first one feels bigger, doesn't it? Wow, there is a lot of water. Sneaks in the Mini Max. Oh, Danny nearly killed me. Get control of your X-Maxx, boy. So hard with the Max, isn't it? Mind you. Oh yeah. Oh, perfect. Boom, I'll take it. Whoa. Oh, I keep hitting that. All these twigs that have fallen down here.
They definitely look like a much better tyre.
Great set of tyres. Great, just it's a bit more spongy, but I actually prefer that to it being like erratic. Yeah, it depends, doesn't it, on that suspension.
Well, I think I have it harder. Plus, when you get wide max, it gives you harder springs, doesn't it?
Oh yeah. Man, I need to turn the breakage up a bit. Yeah, go on, let's see the X-Maxx then. Oh, that's a big hit. But the Max carries on. Yeah, go on, rag it around a bit. Whoa, that is raucous. It doesn't care that there's a huge twig stuck in the back of it. Boom. Oh man, please, knock me gently. What's in there now? Beautiful. Yes, Danny, that was perfect.
It is getting flicked down a bit,
Nice, Traxxas showing us what they can do. Look at that. Oh my God, Danny, the wheel's totally locked up. How did I even just jump then? Look, there's something in there, man.
What's going on?
I don't know.
Stick pushing forward into everything. It's rolling. It's dragging its ass.
Maybe it was the stick pushing forward, you're right. Oh, I thought I was going to make that perfectly.
You have to control movement more with it.
Yeah.
You have to apply it in the air.
Bang, that was amazing. I know those. They felt so plush then, those tyres, like it's not even hitting the floor.
You should have been on it from the first one. Oh wow.
Boom! And like, look how it's taking that landing. It's not bouncing up a lot.
Got a lot of cushion in them, haven't they?
Absolutely amazing. But it's made the Max, yeah. It's made the Max into a real... Oh.
Right, I'm happy with those tail lines for one reason, but I think I need these for another.
Boom! I've never done that. Not that well, anyway. You can just send it off anything.
Yeah, you can. Once you put the trigger down.
There is a massive twig in there, you see it? Oh, you lucky little...
But how many times have you rolled? Like, I think you would have rolled 4 times as much on the...
Oh, a lot more. This little pitch over there, I can't see, damn it. Oh, I got it. Come on, we can get out of there. These new tyres now, look at that. They're not messing. Whoa, whoa. That was a bad little line up there. I mean, there are these leaves and stuff, do you know what I mean? But
I mean, they're great though. Wow.
that was high, man. It tried to take it, didn't it? The suspension, and then it was just like, no.
Great thing with this Max, you can just fling it around, can't you?
Yeah, and it's so like reactive. Watch yourself.
It snaps.
Boom! Love it.
Let's have some of those that you hit the tree with and stuff. They're good.
Endo.
Some of
Nice.
those that you end up hitting that tree.
No, they're not good. Danny, come in closer, don't get me on this.
You one break down, now let's
Yeah.
make it 2. It's Christmas.
Watch out! You are mad. Absolutely mad. Ah. I hit that tree. I hate that tree. Oh, look at that, you see. Yeah. Snapped a wheel. And there was an annoying twig in there as well, which wouldn't have made things any better. Oh, that's annoying.
You've not got the reinforced ones on the back yet, have you?
Look, oh, it's only an A-arm. Oh, is it even an A-arm?
It's just a link.
Is it even just come out? Is it even broken?
The screw is in there.
Yeah?
It's snapped the pin.
Was it?
Yeah, look, there's a pin snapped.
Simple fix.
I don't think that is snapped.
Is it not?
No.
Isn't that the screw?
I think it's just come out.
What's that?
That's just the screw to hold the pin. No, I don't think anything's damaged there, weirdly.
Oh no, that is just the pin.
Yeah.
What happened then?
It just popped out, didn't it? It landed in a very awkward...
Oh yeah, look. It's like flexed and wrenched out.
The X is definitely in need of a new body shell. Let me move out the light for you. I mean, look at the state of that. But you know, it's nearly £100 just to get a new one of them.